Welcome back. How to make your entrepreneur lifestyle healthier. Someone was online talking about this. I work long hours and cannot seem to find the time to work out. On weekends, I'm exhausted from the weekdays and have to catch up on home admin like laundry, cleaning, and food shopping. I used to work out regularly and take care of my nutritional habits, but everything got too overwhelming and I decided to take it easy and focus on rest. I'm aware that my lack of activity is stressing me out, and also, I have a desk job. And when I get home, I only have time and energy to eat, watch a 20-minute sitcom, and go to bed. I don't want the years to pass by and find myself in a situation where it's extremely difficult to stay fit. Click like if that's something that you can relate to. Another person said a couple days later, once I get home, I'm too tired for fitness. So this is what we're going to talk about today. It's a big topic: how you can make your entrepreneur lifestyle healthier or whatever schedule you have, so you can make sure you take time for yourself. And the question I have, something I want you to consider with this video: what if your schedule feels busier because you haven't reserved time for yourself in the first place? Welcome. My name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance, where I build adaptive business leaders through compassionate health coaching. And this is all about vision and how to make things easier. I have a plant-based transformation link below, 30 days. It's got recipes, done for you grocery list, and a meal template so you know what to buy, how to cook it, and when to eat it. That's linked description below. That makes the home admin grocery shopping a lot easier. Try it out. All right. And then the big thing for Fit for Freelance is vision, having the vision for the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams. And what I want you to do is start thinking about how your health supports your life. Now, it's very easy to get stuck when you think that, fitness or healthy eating is something that you do after you do all the other tasks that you have to complete after work, after, taking care of the kids, after, all the laundry and chores and stuff. But really, you're making food choices every day. And then you're also making activity choices every day. And over time, this adds up to what your body does and what it looks like. I'll make a different video. I've got a few drafts coming up on your body reflects what you do with it, and then how these choices are ongoing, even if you don't prioritize them. So we want you to think about how your health supports your life. Take a moment to consider, and then make more of your daily choices fit the life that you want. Instead of trying to make the life that you want fit into all the things that you think you have to do already, switch that and do the big things first. So this can be small steps that you can take in a daily routine, like walking on your lunch break, working out before work, finding little ways to incorporate more activity, non-exercise activity, especially, to stay active and fit. So you don't have any long-term stress-related symptoms. You can make healthier choices. You don't gain a lot of weight, increase your risk of chronic disease, all that stuff, right? So those small steps can help. And also, just remember, this is the question: what if your schedule feels busier because you haven't reserved time for yourself? You do like all this other stuff. Then when you don't have time for yourself, you feel like, oh no, like I ran out of time. But there's a story about some professor was putting golf balls and sand in jars, and he was trying to make sure everything fit. So what he did for the demo first was, like, he poured sand in and tried to put some of the golf balls on top, and they didn't fit, obviously. But they tell the story better on all those motivational channels. But if you take the big pieces, the golf balls go in first, and then the sand can fill in the extra spaces between there, you will have enough room to fit in all the things that need to get done first, and maybe not as much of the things that you don't need, like the sand, the other filler tasks that you think you have to do. Well, what I want you to consider is addressing the highest level element of importance for you and the healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams, and base most of your life around that instead of the other way around. Take a moment to consider that. All right. So when you take time to prioritize your health, what's important to you, what's going to help you perform your best so you can serve the people you love, so you can do the work that is fulfilling to you, so you can spend time doing the things that you enjoy, right? When you put those things up front, then everything else can kind of fit in gradually, right? There's not as much pressure on those other things. And that's suitable because those things are probably less important when you've properly prioritized your schedule. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you want help with this, the guilt-free game plan is the most compassionate way to break your weight loss and business goals into actions you can take today. That's linked below. Then next, you can watch the serious problem with starting diets, what lifestyle means. I'll put that right here. So that's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace. Peace.